Other,
Yes, sir.
are a very handsome guy.
Thank you, sir.
Others, introduce yourself without considering your name and your father's name.
Sir, I was born and brought up in Ranchi. I have done my schooling from DAV Public School, Hehal, Ranchi. I have done my bachelor's in business administration from MIT University, Jharkhand. In my free time, I like to play online video game tournaments, and I also like to work out on a daily basis.
Okay. You are from Jharkhand.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Jharkhand is very much in news for few months and years. Pick one news and tell us.
Sir, Naxalism has been a news that has been there for quite some time since the formation of Jharkhand.
नहीं, अभी रिसेंटली एक दो न्यूज आप पिक कीजिए पिछले एक दो सालों में और बताइए हमें.
So recently there has been a case of the former chief minister of Jharkhand being in jail for alleged money laundering and land scam.
Okay. Achha, do you think that your chief minister was involved in money laundering and corruption cases?
Sir, I'm not sure about it. Sir, the investigation is on, and whatever will be the judgment, I think that will be fair.
Okay. Okay. Tell me what all things you did in college life and what you learned in college life.
Sir, in my college life, I was actively involved in sports. I was the sports coordinator of my college. We had organized our annual sports tournament called Emiforia in Hotwar. And also I was the class representative of my section for 3 years. I was also a member of the speakers club.
What are the psychological significance of your name? Others.
So Adarsh means a person who is the idol of someone.
Okay. Tell me two developmental problems of your district, Ranchi.
Sir, may I take a moment to talk?
Yes, please.
So the first problem would be the traffic congestion. Due to Ranchi being a tier 2 city that is on its way to being developed, there is a problem of congestion of traffic. And second would be this public transport. There is less availability of public transport like buses, and people prefer personal vehicles more.
Okay, you are a sport person.
Yes.
So why did football becomes more popular in West Bengal, Kerala and Goa rather than rest part of India?
Sir, if we go into the history of football, the first football club in India was the Kolkata FC that was established in 1876. Football came from the west to India, and the club culture developed in the West Bengal region, and that is why it is more popular there.
Is Russia a regional power? Is Russia a regional power or global power?
Sir, I think Russia is both a regional power and a global power because it has its say in the global power scenario and also of Europe and Asia too.
Okay. India? Global power or regional power?
So India is also both a global power and a regional power.
किस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से ग्लोबल पावर है एंड किस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से रीजनल पावर?
सर, रीजनल पावर इस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से है जैसे कि हमारा साउथ एशियन रीजन है, उसमें बांग्लादेश, नेपाल, भूटान, अफगानिस्तान और पाकिस्तान, इन सब में इंडिया का से होता है. और ग्लोबल पावर इस सेंस से क्योंकि पिछले कुछ सालों में 10 सालों में या पिछले सर इस सेंचुरी के स्टार्टिंग से देखा गया है कि वेस्ट भी ट्राई कर रहा है कि एशिया में बैलेंस ऑफ पावर बनाए रखने के लिए इंडिया को ऊपर आना बहुत जरूरत है, इसीलिए ग्लोबल से भी है इंडिया के पास.
व्हाट इज नाटो?
सर मे आई टेक अ मोमेंट टू थिंक. सर, NATO is a treaty organization that was established to that was established to keep the Russian power in check by the Western powers like USA. It has its member in Europe, and US and Canada are also a member of it. Its main function is to provide security in case any of its member is attacked upon or has a security problem.
Okay. So, what do you mean by the climate change?
So climate change is the effect on our climate that has been happening due to our development from the past 2-3 centuries after the industrial revolution.
So others,
Yes,
CRPF is your first choice.
yes.
Any reason for that?
Sir, being from Ranchi, I have seen the positive impact that CRPF has brought upon our people. Sir, according to a report by Ministry of Home Affairs, the violence tended by Naxalism has decreased by 54% in 2020 when compared to 2013. And sir, also being associated with her task as good as defense of our company, I am very happy to serve in the CRPF.
So that is why you want to serve CRPF, and that is your first choice, basically.
Yes, sir.
And suppose you join the services. So how you have planned to eliminate the problem of Naxalism in areas of what you say Taimara? Have you heard the name of Taimara?
No, sir.
Okay. So anyway, take any area which is left-wing extremism affected area. So how you have planned to eliminate the Naxalism, the problem of Naxalism in that particular area? Do you have any plans?
Sir, the problem of Naxalism has been on a decline for some time now, and the main regions are the Bastar region in Chhattisgarh, the Abujmar district in Chhattisgarh that has a stronghold of Naxalism. So, sir, first I will try to, sir, if there has been a decrease in Naxalism, the government must have been taking some positive steps, and being the assistant commandant of a company, I'll try to enhance and do my work diligently and follow the steps that government gives.
So that is very generalized. So do you have any kind of roadmap related to that? How you perceive the problem of Naxalism in India? What kind of problem it is? Is it an external problem or it is an internal threat?
Sir, in order to solve Naxalism, I think there are three kinds of steps required: short-term, medium-term, and long-term steps. Short-term steps would be to solve the violence problem. If there is, I'll try to curb that. Some medium-term problems can be solved by enhancing the presence of CRPF in places where it is not there, and trying that people gain trust on CRPF. And in long terms, I think, sir, committees can be established which can tell us the way forward.
Okay, very good. Currently, where are you working? Currently, are you working somewhere?
No, sir, currently I'm not working anywhere.
Okay. So, as mentioned that you have worked with some organizations as content developer.
Yes, sir.
You have worked with content.
Yes.
And you have cleared the prelims stage of the civil services exam.
Yes.
Also. So why you are shifting towards CAPF exam, not going for civil services exam?
Sir, for civil services exams, sir, also my first preference is IPS, and I have also appeared for CDS exam once. So I am very much interested in donning the uniform, and that is why I am appearing for CAPF exam.
नेशनल इमरजेंसी जानते हैं?
जी सर.
कब लगाया जाता है और उसका प्रोसेस क्या है, और जब लगाया जाएगा तो पूरा देश में ही लगाया जाएगा या किसी एरिया में ही लगाया जाएगा?
सर, नेशनल इमरजेंसी आर्टिकल 352 के द्वारा दिया जाता है, और आर्म्ड रेबेलियन, वार या एक्सटर्नल एग्रेशन होने के दौरान नेशनल इमरजेंसी लगाया जा सकता है. और सर, वो किसी एक पर्टिकुलर जगह के लिए भी लगाया जा सकता है, ज़रूरी नहीं है कि वो पूरे देश के लिए ही लगाया जाए.
अच्छा, अगर नेशनल इमरजेंसी लगेगा तो फंडामेंटल राइट जो है इफेक्टेड होता है, किस प्रकार से इफेक्टेड होता है, कौन सा आर्टिकल इसको इफेक्ट करने का पावर रखता है, बता सकते हैं?
सर, आर्टिकल 358 में कहा गया है कि आर्टिकल 19 जो है वो केवल जब नेशनल इमरजेंसी एक्सटर्नल इफेक्ट्स के वजह से लगे, एक्सटर्नल एग्रेशन या वॉर के वजह से लगे, तभी आर्टिकल 19 को हटाया जा सकता है. और आर्टिकल 359 कहता है कि आर्टिकल 20 और 21 भी हट जाएंगे जब भी नेशनल इमरजेंसी आएगी.
वेल आदर्श,
Yes.
कैसे हैं आप?
वेरी नाइस.
Nice.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is some of your roll number?
Some of my roll number.
Yes.
I'll have to do the addition. I'm 11.
Okay. आज क्या ब्रेकफास्ट में आपने खाया?
And breakfast I had idli.
कितना कैलोरी इनटेक है?
Idli is quite high in calories because it is comprising of carbohydrates more.
Right.
I'm not sure about the specific number.
It support your daily workout consumption. Is it?
Just ma'am, because in working out daily there is a need for energy and carbohydrates provide energy. That is why. In addition to protein, the carbohydrates are also required. That is why.
What is spirulina?
Spirulina is a plant-based source that was developed in order to give protein to the astronauts in the space station. It can be packed and can be kept for a longer period of time.
Is it present in whey protein or is it present in plant-based protein, which commonly person intake in daily basis?
Ma'am, in whey protein, I don't think it is present, but ma'am, I'm not sure about the plant-based protein.
Okay, it's okay. Very good.
Last question from my side. What is the historical significance of your date of birth?
Sir, on 27th March 1668, Bombay was ceded by the Portuguese to the British. Also, sir, in 1841, first steam engine was started on 27th March 1841. In 1891, William K. Roentgen was born, who developed the X-ray, and also, sir, first radio transmission from England to France happened in 27th March.
Okay. You did in Bachelor of Business Administration.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. किसी बैंक के लिए जो बैंक अगर किसी को लोन देता है तो बैंक के लिए एसेट है या फिर लायबिलिटी है?
सर, बैंक के लिए वो एक एसेट हो जाएगा क्योंकि बैंक उससे इंटरेस्ट भी कमाएगा.
Okay. Okay. Your interview is over. All the best. Best of luck.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.